How to deal with a coworker who's trying to get you fired. Do you have a coworker who is making your work life difficult? Are they trying to get you fired? This person is really getting on your nerves. They keep making mistakes that are costing the company money. You've tried talking to them and they just won't listen. You've tried ignoring them, but that just makes things worse. They seem to be actively sabotaging your efforts just to make you look incompetent. They might even be working with a manager who doesn't like you or has it out for you. Either way, you may think you don't stand a chance against them. Well, the first thing you need to do is figure out how to deal with this kind of person. Are they sabotaging your work, making you look bad by complaining about you to your boss? But why? Are they just a bad person? Or is there some other reason? Try and find out. The source of the problem might be a simple misunderstanding or something that can be resolved by talking to the right person. Talk to your boss if you can and explain how this person is making your work harder than it should be. If that doesn't work, sit down with this person and try to get to the bottom of the issue. If they are just a bad person and you can't do anything about it, then you need to be very careful. If they continue to complain to your boss or lies about you, be prepared to defend yourself and your actions. Keep good records of the work you have done so you can prove that you're innocent. And try to get along with them as best as possible. If you'd like to discuss any aspect of this further or learn about the ways we can help your company deal with toxic employees, please get in touch with us at info@claritywave.com.